I got my cat some of this little weed for his own ass self, you know. He was going to attack me like I want his shit. What, you want that? Is it right here? I'll give you some. Yeah, I'm trying to get it here, but here. Goddamn, H, chill. Yeah, these. Here, right here. Uh-huh. There you go. He's all rubbing all over, and all guys today acts like a fucking psychopath. Biggie, biggie, biggie. You fucker, chill. Ooh, ooh, Banks the crackhead. Look at those eyes. Banks the crackhead. God. Binks, bud. Binks, Binks, Binks. What's up, buddy? Are you enjoying that or something, bud? You got that shit all over you. Hey, he's making a mess on the floor. Hey, hey, hey. I don't want your weed. I got my own. God, baby, you crazy. Oh, man. Anyways, that's that stuff there. Make sure you get it for your cats. They love it, the shit out of it. Don't you, beans. Anyways, subscribe for more smoke videos creeping up on your YouTube screen. Good night.